Hey, Dr. Ray with Pro Holistic Care. Today I want to talk about 3 stretches that you can do on your own, at home, at work, wherever you need to when you are having neck pain. A lot of people are having pain because they're driving a long time, they're sitting in their computer at their desk a lot, and you need easy things you can do to just relieve some of that tension. So the first thing we're going to do is called a chin tuck. This helps restore some more normal mobility and then also helps to stretch out the muscles in the neck. So I'm going to have you turn sideways right here. You're going to gently pull your neck back like it's on a track and then come just slightly forward and then back. So you see, he's not tucking down or back like this. He's just going back and forth. That's going to get some nice mobility in the neck and loosen up the muscles in the front and the back of the neck. One thing I want to make sure that you do not do is push your head really far forward. So go ahead and push forward. We don't want that. We want to fight against that. So bring that back. So again, just gently back, a little bit forward, back, and forward. You can do about 20 repetitions of that a few times a day, and that's going to really help. Okay, so now we're going to turn and face this way. Now, when our necks are tight, we're often going to feel a lot of tension in the side of the neck and into the traps right here. So we also want to go ahead and stretch that. So I'm going to have you turn your head this way, drop your head down. Now I want you to gently place this hand. We want to place the hand and use it as a weight, but don't pull. You can hurt your neck if you pull really hard. And then we're going to come around and we're going to take this arm and let this one drop. And you can feel, you're feeling a nice stretch in there. So we want to hold that for about 30 seconds. And then we're going to switch and do both sides. I would say 3 reps for about 30 seconds on each side is really going to help to stretch the side of the neck all the way down to the shoulder into the trap. We're going to do one more. This one's a little bit more difficult. So I'm going to have him demonstrate. This is for the muscles that attach, that get really tight when we're hunched over at our computer like that. So I want you to actually turn your head this way. There's that bump right behind your ear that's a big bump of bone. You're going to put 2 hands on top of each other right here, and you're going to actually pull from that bump all the way down the side of your neck and grasp right on your collarbone and lean your head back. This is called the 𝗵𝒍𝒃 muscle, and it gets really tight from working on a computer or being on our phone. Do you feel a nice stretch in there? And this is about the only way to stretch that muscle. Go ahead and do that one more time. So a little higher right by the ear, have a nice hold, pull down, and then the further you can stretch your head back, the more of a stretch you are going to get in there. And again, you can do 2 or 3 reps on each side for approximately 30 seconds. You can go ahead and stop. And those 3 exercises, if you do them during the day, when you start to feel that tension in the neck, take a break. It'll take you 2 or 3 minutes. Not a long time, and it can really help you avoid feeling tight, tense, tight shoulders, headaches, all that stuff at the end of your workday.